You in a lawsuit and need money now? Funding for Lawsuits can get you the cash you need today.
Loans for lawsuits? Ads like this one promise cash to people waiting for a lawsuit settlement. It sounds good, but with interest rates exceeding 200%, some of these companies are getting rich by targeting the vulnerable. Former Georgia Attorney General Thurbert Baker is an advocate for reform of lawsuit lending usury laws.
Here we have an unaffiliated third-party lender investing in a lawsuit that he or she is not even related to in any way, shape, or form. They're investing in these lawsuits with no ethical or legal constraints about how they should conduct themselves. This creates a problem in and of itself. And when you have that, it interferes with the lawyer-client relationship, not to mention consumers who are getting re-victimized by having to absorb exorbitant interest rates.
That's what happened in a recent Michigan case. 6 women who had a lawsuit against the state borrowed $635,000. They ended up owing $3.1 million. Stories like this one are the reason at least 7 states this year are considering laws that would cap interest rates between 25 and 40%. Tennessee recently passed a bill that caps the interest rate at 36%. Illinois, however, is moving in a different direction. Pending legislation there would allow loan companies to charge more than 100% interest per year, well above the state's current 36% interest limit. Far from protecting consumers, the Illinois provision would lock in the predatory interest rates for the lenders. And that, opponents say, would actually institutionalize the abusive lending practices. For more stories, go to facesoflawsuitabuse.org.